Today we're diving into the mystifying world of ISO and the unsung hero or villain of your camera settings and the dark secrets behind ISO. Alright, so ISO stands for, what was it again? Oh, incredibly sensational options. No, just kidding. It's actually International Organisation of Standardization. But in photography, it's your ticket to controlling the sensitivity of your camera's sensor to the light. Think of it as your camera's ability to adapt in different lighting situations. Let's get real. ISO is a bit like your mom ninja in the shadows. When you crank it all the way up, your camera becomes incredibly sensitive to the light, making it an unsung hero of low light situations. However, there is a catch. The higher the ISO, the more your digital noise creeps into the shots and turning those pristine photos into pixelated Minecraft disco parties. To illustrate, let's journey into the nightlife of photography and imagine that you're going to a dimly lit concert. The lower ISO, like 100 to 200, would be attending in your pajamas. Everything's calm and clean and noise free. However, if you crank up that high ISO up to beyond 1600, suddenly you're in a flashy disco where the noise is crashing the party. Pro tip, match your ISO to your light situation. Low light, high ISO, light, lower. It's like choosing the right outfit for an occasion. You wouldn't wear a tuxedo to a beach, would you? So there you have it, folks. ISO demystified. Don't be afraid to experiment and embrace the disco, but always keep an eye on that noise levels. If you're enjoying this rollercoaster ride through the ISO land, make sure you hit that like button, a gentle tap, and hit the subscribe buttons for more photography adventures. Next up, keep clicking and stay focused.